Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Information Protection. What is Azure Information Protection? Azure Information Protection, sometimes referred to as AIP, is a cloud-based solution that helps an organization to classify and optionally protect its documents and emails by applying labels. Labels can be applied automatically by administrators who define rules and conditions, manually by users, or a combination where users are given recommendations. After your content is classified and optionally protected, you can then track and control how it is used. You can analyze data flows to gain insight into your business, detect risky behaviors, and take corrective measures, track access to documents, prevent data leakage or misuse, and so on. Let's understand how labels apply classification. You use Azure Information Protection labels to apply classification to documents and emails. When you do this, the classification is identifiable regardless of where the data is stored or with whom it's shared. The labels can include visual markings such as a header, footer, or watermark. Metadata is added to files and email headers in clear text. The clear text ensures that other services, such as data loss prevention solutions, can identify the classification and take appropriate action. How data is protected. The protection technology uses Azure Rights Management, often abbreviated to Azure RMS. This technology is integrated with other Microsoft Cloud services and applications, such as Office 365 and Azure Active Directory. It can also be used with your own line of business applications and information protection solutions from software vendors, whether these applications and solutions are on-premises, or in the cloud. This protection technology uses encryption, identity, and authorization policies. Similarly to the labels that are applied, protection that is applied by using rights management stays with the documents and emails, independently of the location, inside or outside your organization, networks, file servers, and applications. This information protection solution keeps you in control of your data, even when it is shared with other people. Let's understand requirements for Azure Information Protection. For classification, labeling, and protection by using the Azure Information Protection Client, Classic or Unified Labeling, or Scanner, you must have an Azure Information Protection Plan. For protection only, you must have an Office 365 plan that includes Azure Information Protection. Great! Now you've learned about Azure Information Protection. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a